Good morning, Ms. Mansky here with your second video for the week about informational text and summary. Hope you're having a good week. Let's get started with the lesson. So today we were continuing looking at passages and figuring out what the main idea and the supporting ideas are. So if we remember this chart, subject at the top is like very broad. It's just like a one word that describes what a text is about. So on Tuesday, the passage that we looked at was about sandwiches, right? So that would be the subject. The main idea is something a little more specific about that subject. So what the author is saying about the one word. So, for example, in the sandwiches, it was that sandwiches have come a long way from their origins in the 1700s. And then the supporting ideas all provide examples that further explain the main idea. So today we're going to be looking at this passage called The Giraffe as an example of how to find a main idea and supporting details. I'm going to read the passage for us now. The giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world. From head to hoof, it is between 14 and 20 feet tall. That means a giraffe is taller than a refrigerator but shorter than a telephone pole. One feature that makes a giraffe so tall is its very long neck. The giraffe's neck is about 6 feet long. Like a human, the giraffe has 7 neck bones. Unlike a human's neck bone that is less than 1 inch long, a giraffe's neck bone can be 10 inches long. Another feature that makes a giraffe tall is its long legs. Each leg is 6 feet tall. That's taller than most humans. The giraffe's long legs help it run up to 35 miles per hour for short distances. One other feature that makes a giraffe seem even taller is its long tongue. This tongue is 18 to 20 inches long. A giraffe's tongue is a prehensile tongue, which means it can grasp things like humans grasp their fingers. This long prehensile tongue allows the giraffe to grasp leaves at the tops of trees. So when we're thinking about what the subject of this text is, remember it will be one word that sums up what this text is about. So one way you can figure this out is by looking at what words are repeated throughout a text. So in this particular text, the word that is repeated the most, and coincidentally the title, is giraffe, which means the subject of this text is giraffes. But what point is the author making about giraffes in the text? So in this passage, we can see this main idea very early on in the text. And we know it's the main idea because all of the paragraphs that follow the first one explain why this is true. So the main idea is that the giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world, right? And we know this because the rest of the passage, the supporting details explain all the ways that a giraffe is tall. So one feature is its long neck. One feature is its long legs. Another is that it has a really long tongue. All of these examples support that the giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world. So the passage that you're going to be looking at today to do the same thing, break down the subject, the main idea, and the details, is this passage called Eight-Eyed Hunter, and I'm going to read it for you now. A hairy eight-legged creature is crawling across the ground. Its 8 eyes see sharply. Its bite releases venom that can kill. Is this a fictional creature from a horror movie? No, it's real. Should you run away? No, it isn't hunting for human prey. This creature is a common kind of spider, often called a wolf spider. Keep reading to discover what makes the wolf spider unique. Unlike web-spinning spiders, wolf spiders do not spin sticky webs to trap insects. Instead, wolf spiders go out hunting. The wolf spider's 8 eyes help it pick out insects. The spider creeps toward its prey. As it comes within striking distance, it speeds up. It pounces. Instantly, it pierces its victim with its big hairy fangs and releases its venom. This behavior is the reason these hunters are called wolf spiders. Male wolf spiders must approach females with great caution, otherwise they might be taken as prey and get eaten by the females. Some male wolf spiders wave their front legs and feelers. The waving seems to signal, "See, I'm not food." Other males deliver a gift of a captured fly. While the female munches on the treat, the male comes close enough to mate. Female wolf spiders then lay dozens of eggs. Wolf spiders use silk from their bodies to enclose their eggs in a sac. Most female spiders do that. But unlike other female spiders, wolf spider mothers do not die after making the egg sac. Instead, the female attaches the sac to her body. When the eggs hatch, the mother protects the spiderlings by carrying them around on her back. When they are able to spin special threads, the spiderlings leave. They climb to high places to launch themselves into the breeze and start new lives. Okay, so attached to this exit ticket or this email, there is an exit ticket with a couple of questions about the wolf spider text.